Hello friends and welcome back to the Ninox learning series. In this video, we will learn how to send an email from Ninox. Now for that purpose, I have already created a sample project for students' performance, tracking the students' performance. So I have two tables here. One is student, wherein I am capturing basic information of the student, and the another table is student performance, which keeps a track of the records of the students' performance, marks that they have received in different exams. Now, in order to send the email notification from Ninox, the requirement here is for every update of the student performance, a notification will be sent to the required email address. Now for the demonstration purpose, we are using a static email address here. Now let us go ahead and understand how to send an email. So for that purpose, you need to go to settings, go to edit fields. Now on the left hand side frame here, you can see there is an option to provide a script that can be run as a part of a trigger after update. Now I have already added a script here. I will be sharing this set of code in the form of template in the video description. Now what we need here is the email address of the sender, the email address to whom you are going to send a notification. You can provide a subject and text. So here I am, for the purpose of understanding, I have specified here the student name so that we understand for which student notification has been sent. So let us save this. And now we will go ahead and update few records. Now let us try updating this. So marks were 30, I am setting it as 35. And now the record has been updated. Here you can see the record gets updated. Now let us go to the email. Here you can see the notification has been received. Student Purva performance notification. So this is how you can send an email from Ninox.